Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in again. I'm super excited about today's video. I'm going to do an IPSY unboxing and tell you some of the benefits to using IPSY and show you some products I've previously gotten from them. So stay tuned and let's dig in. So this is the package I received from IPSY for the month of May. So they always come in this fun bubble wrapping, and let's open it up and see what we've got inside. All right, so this is the bag here. Very beachy summer vibes. So each of the zipper pouches is individual to the month depending on the theme. So the theme for this month is Get That Glow. So it's kind of the ombre look. So it says, a new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter, and bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing? And then it says to go to ipsy.com for tips and tricks. So I have tuned in and kind of watched the video tips and tricks with some of the products, and those are super fun. So when you sign up for IPSY, you do some quizzes and tell them what your preferences are. You know, if you're looking for nail polish, lotion, foundations, primers, mascaras, that kind of thing. So they really try to customize it as much as they can. And I have been doing IPSY on and off for probably 3.5 years. And I would say they're really, really nailing it right now. I took a break for about 4 to 5 months because I just felt like I wasn't getting a lot of what I wanted, a lot of the same thing. And so I took a break, redid my quizzes when I came back, and I feel like they are spot on exactly what I need now. So let's see what we've got in here. So the first thing I pulled out was the Lasting Smiles Peach Blossom Organic Lip Balm. So this looks like a awesome chapstick. Let's give her a smell. Oh yeah, that is super peachy and delicious. I can't wait to use that. It says smile for a cause. It supports global water projects. So I'm really big into that. I always talk about wanting to save the turtles down here in Florida. So I'm all for anything that is going to help the environment. Something that is neat on the back of the card, it says add-ons. So there is an ultimate deal for having your IPSY. It costs $12 per month. And I think there is a way to upgrade to kind of a glam bag, but you can do add-ons. I personally have never done add-ons, but you can do add-ons. So there's deluxe size samples. Those are $3. Full size samples are $12 and $18. You can add up to 8 products per IPSY per month. Normally inside the card, they're going to tell me the products I got as well as the cost and how to use them. This time it's more of a tips and tricks, everything you need to glow. So it's got tips for highlighters, powders, liquids, and creams. The next thing I got was the Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. So this is the outside of the package here. Let's see, it's in the shade Bye, which I love that name. It says it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, which I love. It's really in there. Okay, it's weird. Thought I heard someone knocking at my door. Anyways, I've got this super cute pink packaging here, and then it's looking like a baked formula. So I'm very excited. Oh, it's creamy. Is she creamy? Oh yeah. So I've got that golden kind of glow there. Next on the list is a very popular item. So this is a Benefit brand Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. So this is the sample size here. And this is the container. So I believe I've tried this before. I really can't remember how I felt about it. So the thing I love about IPSY is that they send sample sizes. And so you really get to test a product out before you go and spend, you know, $20, $30, sometimes $40 per item on the makeup. So let's take a look at the wand, shall we? Got a curved wand here. I'm excited to try that. Next up is something I know I love. So this is the Tarte H2O Gloss in the shade Hang 10. Let's swatch it for you. There's the swatch there. But this is a awesome lip gloss. I've tried it before, not in that shade, so I'm excited to try that shade. And lastly, I've got the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea and Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So I actually have the Purlisse watermelon exfoliating mask that I got in a FabFitFun subscription, but I'm excited to try a charcoal mask, and I've actually never tried a Matcha product. So let's give her a sniff. Oh yeah, that's refreshing. It's herbally, it's refreshing. I thought it was gonna be black, but it is white. So I am excited to see how this goes, you guys, and I will let you know. So that's it for my IPSY bag for this month, but I did want to show you some products that I've gotten that have really stood out to me that I use kind of in my everyday routine. So one thing I love about IPSY is that they send really quality brushes. So you can see these are all used, but I have a highlighter brush here that's very lightweight. I've got a Luxie Precision Foundation brush. And this is another highlighter brush. I think that they just clean really well. It's great versus purchasing, you know, a full collection of brushes. Sometimes you want to have a little variety in your life. As far as primers go, I've definitely gotten a couple of samples that I've really enjoyed. So I mentioned the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer here. I mentioned that in a video that I did a while back, and so I'll link that above for my review of that. I've got the very famous Professional primer here. So this is a teeny tiny sample, but a little bit goes a long way with this one. This is Benefit. And then I do have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer here. And so this is a very well-reviewed primer as well. And I just wanted to show you kind of the variety of brands that they send. So these are all very high-end brands, very expensive. That way you can try the sample size before investing in the full shebang and feeling like you're really saving money using a full product all the way through. I feel like that's a struggle for many of us. So another product that I've gotten that I haven't been able to try yet, which I am super excited about, is the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So I saw a ton of people picking this up on their Sephora VIB hauls. My very first YouTube video was a Sephora VIB sale haul, and this actually came to me in an IPSY before that, and I haven't even gotten to use it yet. So I was actually just telling my mom how very rarely do I feel like I need to buy skincare because I get such great quality stuff from IPSY. And I do love that. That smells so good. I use the Youth to the People face wash every day at night. And so this says to apply at night. I'm excited. It smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use that. I received a Pixie by Petra blush in the shade Beach Rose. I use that one quite a bit. And then I've got a Tarte bronzer. This is their Amazonian Clay bronzer here in the shade Park Avenue Princess. And so I do feel like the quality of the product they send, it might be in a plastic package versus a glass bottle or a glass package you might get at Ulta or Sephora, but for $12, I mean, the brand quality is definitely there, and you can turn it off and on so easy. So if you want a couple months off, you just go in, turn it off, and they don't keep harassing you about turning it back on, which I love. You can get nail polish, like I said. I get tons of eyeliners from them. I love testing eyeliners. I, do a lot of different makeup with eyeliners, and so I would 10 out of 10 recommend IPSY for not only a variety and sampling different product, but really for savings. So I want to know, have you guys tried IPSY? If you have, this is totally not a sponsored video, but if you have tried IPSY, let me know down below. What's your favorite thing that you've ever gotten from them? Is it brushes? Is it foundation, concealer, lipstick? Let me know what it is. I can't wait to hear. And if you have never tried IPSY, give it a shot and tell me what you think. So that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did. Thanks so much. Bye.